So yesterday we threw this strawberry because we have a rabbit that comes into the backyard, and somehow it's on top of the fence now this morning, and there's a bee on it. Hello everyone! Oh my god, it's such a beautiful day today. We are already out and we're planning on spending the whole day out today because I don't think we're gonna get weather like this anytime soon. It's 20 degrees today and the spring has been super chilly. So we're really excited because we were kind of waiting for a really nice day so we can do a barbecue today. Afia and Amina are so excited and we're all dressed up and out of our pajamas today.
And if you guys are doing a barbecue today too, remember to wear sunscreen.
Oh yeah, wear sunscreen because it is super sunny today.
My dad is not wearing sunscreen though. Papa, look behind you.
And there's so many bugs out right now.
Yeah, no, but I just don't know.
And Baba needs to mow the lawn.
Yes, he does actually.
Because
one side is
it's
like
getting crazy.
And one side is hot, one side is low, the one side is medium, and then you have dandelions, which I'm very allergic to because it's all my fault.
Okay. Afia and Amina are hungry right now. So we're gonna make them some food right now. Okay, take it away. Go give this to Baba and he can put it on the grill. Ami, can I see your sunglasses?
Hi.
Wow. Ami, you're so cool.
I'm gonna take them off so they can read.
What, you can't see?
I can
They're so pretty. Can I wear them? Yeah, they're too small. I can't find my sunglasses.
Patio out.
Baba said not right now because he's already doing something. I think he's starting the grill.
So why don't we go get it?
Because it's heavy. Like, really heavy.
Oh yeah, and comment down below what's your favorite activity to do outdoors? And what's your favorite video?
Yeah, that's a good one too.
I like the Frozen one, and I also like. Did we make a Chuck E. Cheese video?
Yes, we did.
I like the Chuck E. Cheese video and the.
We did Palladium too.
Yeah, and I like the Palladium one and the Michigan one.
Did we do a Michigan one?
No, we did America. We did not do Michigan though.
Yeah, I think we did that trip to the mall when we went to Buffalo and we just did some shopping. If you guys want to see that video, I'm going to link it in the iCard and you can check it out. I don't know. I think it's this way.
No, it's this way.
That way?
Always this way.
Okay, well, we'll see. But yeah, check it out. Ami, are you going to be doing your bubbles or are you helping Baba clean the grill?
So we're going to do some hot dogs, we have some buns, and we have some corn on the cob.
And we have a watermelon that I need to cut up.
Oh yeah.
And some chicken too, which we're going to do later because I'm fasting so I can't eat right now, but Baba's making a couple things for you guys.
Yeah. Yellow watermelon, that's fine. Yeah, yellow watermelon, yeah.
Which one's your favorite? Watermelon, cantaloupe, or honeydew?
I like honeydew and watermelon. I like watermelon and cantaloupe. I never tried the cantaloupe we got. It was not good.
I know.
Yeah,
it wasn't sweet at all.
Sweet, right?
I don't know how to pick the melons. I don't know.
You
Can't
crack
tell.
them open and put them back together and then go and chop them.
Yeah, unfortunately, you can't do that. But maybe next time we'll get a sweet one.
If you guys are wondering how our tree is going, it's going pretty good actually. There's a lot of leaves.
I mean, there are no bugs here.
I think my mom edited that video already when we went to show the trees, right?
Yes.
And so you go watch that video and come back to this video, and you'll see how much. So you'll see this tree has more leaves in that video.
Yeah, it's definitely getting a lot more leaves.
Guys, that one was episode 1. This was episode 2.
Episode 2?
Yeah, I think so.
What are you going to do in episode 3?
Oh, we're gonna be out again then.
You're going to dance?
We're gonna dance? Yeah, and I'm gonna go.
So yesterday we went fishing.
Yeah, fishing.
And they had the whole parking lot closed because obviously everything's closed right now. So we had to walk all the way around. And how many mosquitoes were there, Ami?
Tons, like 115.
115? There were thousands of mosquitoes there.
I cracked my ankle.
And Amina was running and she kind of twisted her ankle, but she's okay.
She started laughing.
Yeah, Afia was laughing. Afia has this thing where when she sees somebody fall, she starts giggling, and she's working on it, right, Afia?
Mean.
What do you do if somebody falls?
Laugh.
No, that's so
Are you
mean.
okay? And help
Yeah,
them.
ask them
Okay,
if they
wait,
can help them.
I'm gonna wash the tree.
Wash the tree?
Help. That noise is so bad.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. Okay, which one are you having, Abby?
I wanna try
The
purple.
blue one?
Wait, so this is basically yellow. Yellow is the yeah.
Which one is the best flavor? I think the white is the best, and the blue one.
Yeah.
That's what I used to eat when I was
This
little.
is pineapple. This is pineapple with mango.
Pineapple mango. Yeah, I tried it last time we were having it. I think this one was pretty good too. Okay, let's cut it up.
I feel so bad for my sister because one time hers fell on the ground. Yeah, so my mom had to get me another one. And then my sister wanted one because she was so jealous that I had two. So then she got one. I wasn't jealous.
Okay, so I'm just gonna wash up some corn. Throwing some fries in here for the kids as well. They want corn, fries, and hot dogs. And I'm gonna prep some chicken for myself because I want chicken tikka. So I got some chicken breast that I need to marinate, which I should have done last night,
I love chicken
but I didn't. Oh, you're gonna eat the chicken breast too?
Yeah.
We're gonna probably make the chicken later, a little bit later, when I'm like gonna open my fast. And Baba's bringing out the.
Patio?
You were dropping some freezes for the ants?
Yeah.
Why? We don't want more ants to come in.
It's okay.
Okay, if you say so, but try not to do that. Last time we had so many ants. Remember last summer? Yes. We don't want more ants. And I'm probably gonna cut this up too because you guys want this too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me cut this up too.
Should I turn the water on to wash it?
Sure.
What is that thing?
Ami and Afia, are you guys enjoying your food?
No.
Kind of.
Well, my dad is warming up the buns. We're eating already.
You guys are the only ones eating right now. We gotta wait.
How many hot dogs are there?
There's one.
Just 4, I think.
Yeah. No. No, there's 5. 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5.
Got a ketchup, but we have these little
Packets.
pack ones. I mean, do you want hot sauce too?
Hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
I can't eat hot sauce because I have a cold sore. Hot sauce. Is that good? Or the whole packet?
So pretty. Ami, are you gonna pick it up?
What does it tickle me? Yeah, it tickles you.
I don't have to tickle you. It doesn't do anything.
Well, it probably will tickle
Put your finger in front of it. Closer to it.
in front of it.
Closer to it.
Are you scared, Ami?
It's getting on your hand. Get it, come on,
Oh,
your
you had a
hand.
little
Can't get
ladybug.
it now. It has to get on the skin. Do it.
Let's move the watermelon.
Oh, so you're
Put it
not
in
scared of
front
ladybugs because they're pretty, but every other bug I'm not scared
Put
of.
it in front of it, I mean.
Move it.
Okay, so I took like an hour nap because I was super tired. And Afia and Amina were so good because they were just watching TV, right, Afia?
I did come up, but you didn't know, did you?
Oh, I didn't notice. You guys are always sneaking into the room. And now we're back here. I'm going to put the chicken on the skewers.
And we're gonna go.
It's only 6 o'clock, but since it's going to get dark outside, I'm just going to get Shari to make them right now. I'm also craving gulab jamun and I got this pack. Ami, are you okay?
Filming.
Ooh, should I film Amina being naughty? Dun dun dun.
So we're
Ami, cut it out.
this
Stop fighting,
gulab
guys.
jamun?
I want to try making gulab jamuns from
we
this
always
pack,
get-
which I've never
yeah.
made before. So hopefully these are going to be good.
Yeah, we always get
Because
them.
if they are, I'm going to make them for Eid. Let's see.
We're gonna make a cup, like a little bit. So. That's good. It is barbecue.
Matthew, Ami, you guys look so cozy.
I'm going to tongs. They're going to get really hot.
Okay, I'll get it.
Get a Tom. Get a Tom. Get a Tom here. Get a Tom here. Get a Tom here. Get a Tom here. So much smoke. We're gonna get very warm because it's pretty chilly out today. Now.
Ew, what is this, Afi and Ami?
Yeah, this is a farm of ants. Our farm of ants.
It's starting again?
Yep, it's starting. Oh, look at that.
That's so
Put your whole hand in there.
No, you do it.
I Let's see if one comes on. Don't start.
The barbecue's already and it smells so good. I can't wait to eat it. We have 1 more hour to go. So I'm just gonna run and pray my asr because I haven't done that yet. Afia, Ami, you guys coming in?
No,
Why not? What are you guys doing?
we're just playing.
All right.
So now we have to put these animals in. I'm making my own video.
Okay, it's gotten a little cold, guys. You guys should come in. It was such a good day and now it's getting a little bit chilly.
It's not chilly for us. We still want to play.
Ami, look, the moon's out.
I know, I want to play. Well,
Okay,
let's
you guys have
enough
5 more minutes and then come on in, okay, guys?
Call us when we have to come in. I don't really like it, but I'm going to try it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna taste test the gulab jamun. They don't really look like gulab jamun, so I'm hoping they kind of taste like them at least.
Because my mom is fasting, so she can't taste. If she wasn't fasting, she would be able to taste them.
Tastes good?
I think it's a cake.
It's like cake?
Yeah.
Okay, then that's probably good. Because they're supposed to be sweet. I don't know. They don't look
Then we
bad.
have
I didn't have enough oil, so they kind of look flat. Next time we'll try them with more oil and see if they come out round.
Yeah. Yeah.
But how was it, Afia? Did you like it? Because I know you really like gulab jamun.
And I really like these chicken skewers. Did my mom show these chicken skewers to you?
I did.
They're very toasty. I mean, not clean.
Well, we'll just wait and we can eat together, okay?
Yeah. They smell delicious, so they probably.
Wasn't it such a fun barbecue today?
Yeah.
And the weather was so good too.
I know,
Alhamdulillah.
but I was so chilly.
Now it's cold again. Oh well,
Hopefully-
we'll just wait for
hopefully
summer.
one day it's like 21 degrees.
Yeah, it was 21 today. Inshallah, it will
How
be
about
so.
22?
And if you guys like our videos, make sure you guys give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you can. I know some of the videos you can because they are not made for kids, and some videos that are made for kids you can't
might change your
unfortunately
channel,
comment.
yeah.
So
So,
be sure to do
yeah.
that, and I hope you guys are having a
So,
great Ramadan.
You can
And
only
see you
subscribe
next
on the
time.
vlogs we make that you can't see us. Bye. The vlogs we make. And you want to see my dress? Bye. Bye. Look at all the nice apple. I mean, apple.
And my mom's dress is very pretty.
Afia made bubbles for
Bye.